Alright. So, this happened. My fucking silencer felt like she was a mile fucking long. I've noticed that with the early model Crf450s. The silencer for the fucking things are crazy fucking long. I don't know why. Stupid as fuck. Like the stock silencer wasn't even as long as an aftermarket. So I don't know what the fuck they're doing, but whatever. Just wanted to show you guys. I ended up cutting it down. Very simple. I'll just show you what I did. There was the extra piece that was on there, so you can imagine that fucking thing's almost to the end of your fucking tailpipe, you know, with the end cap, which is unnecessary. Alright, so this is my baffle tube I ended up cutting off. So that was fucking long as hell too. So pretty much I just marked it wherever I wanted it. I put my side plate on, and that gives you a better idea where you want it. So I want it to end right at my number plate, and now it does. So that's where I made my mark. And if you can, use a bandsaw to cut it. It'll give you the straightest cut. If not, just be careful, I guess. I think that's the hardest part with this mod, is trying to get a straight cut. So if you can, bandsaw. If not, take your time making your marks and go around slowly with a cut-off wheel or hacksaw, whatever you got. But yeah, it's real simple. You make your mark on your tube, cut it. Not all the baffle tubes are removable. If you got one that's in there and sticks out past the end of your muffler or whatever, make sure you take account for that and don't just chop right through it and fuck it all up. Mine's removable, so I stuck it in there, marked where it sits in the end cap, and took the same amount off of this that I did off of this. It was just right around 3 inches, pretty sure. And fucking golden. Fucking making progress now, boys. It's Curtis Sparks, full exhaust. Here's my header. So we're gonna start working on getting some more together slowly. Still gotta buy some more parts. I need radiators, new hoses, gas tank, because the fucking bolt holes for the shrouds are all fucked. And then just a bunch of little shit. But we're getting there. I got some nice new fucking applied black clamps. I got my fucking nice new red brake lines on there. Nice new shifter. R&D carbo, which I also need to get a spring because I guess it doesn't use a stock spring for the accelerator pump, and I can't get a hold of the fucking company because they're dicks. So yeah, that's where we're at. Also got to get some fucking wheels and tires and tubes. And I can get these fucking wheels on there. So yeah, we're getting there. Alright guys, just wanted to give you a little look into how to chop your fucking muffler right now. Alright.